Hi, I'm Dr. Opal Garman with Upper Cervical Chiropractic of Tulsa and Tulsa, Oklahoma, that is. And I'm just want to give you a few tips on how we can help kids be healthy and happy naturally. So we know that most kids, but 80% of them, in fact, before the age of 3, are going to have ear infection at some point before they're the age of 3. So most kids traditionally take antibiotics. So as a parent, we want to be able to figure out how to avoid antibiotics because we don't want our child to have multiple rounds of antibiotics and we don't want them to have antibiotic resistant diseases. So here are my top 3 natural preventative measures to be able to help your child stay healthy and happy. So the first one, just most commonly, is called lymphatic massage. And the oil that you're going to use for lymphatic massage comprises 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which happens to be anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Yay! And then 1 drop of eucalyptus oil, which is antibacterial. And the best time to do this is right after your kid's bath because they'll be relaxed, their pores will be open, and so you're going to be able to get them into a state where this is going to be effective. So the frontal sinuses is where we want to drain from and massage, and then the maxillary sinuses, and those 2 sinuses build up to a point right here, which is oftentimes a cause for ear infections because it can produce more congestion or fluid in this area. Then we want to massage that down in through the lymph system so that drains out into the body and doesn't stay backed up with pressure right there. You can also go behind the ears as well. You want to leave that oil on, let them stay propped up as they sleep that night because breathing that eucalyptus oil in is great for the respiratory system. You can also diffuse that eucalyptus oil in their room with a diffuser or a humidifier. The second thing we want to do is something with the diet. We want to decrease their sugar and their dairy consumption because those things are going to produce inflammation and congestion for our kid and mucus buildup. And so we want to be able to limit those so our kid stays healthy and active. And the third thing supplementally that you want to do is, hey, let's do probiotics. And you can open a probiotic, you can put it in kids' smoothie. Or you can also introduce your kid to a great drink, probiotic drink called kombucha. There's some great kid flavors that are strawberry or mango, and they're great. They're fizzy. I think your kids will love them. My kids do. And if those things are not effective for your child, then make an appointment with your upper cervical doctor to be able to make a chiropractic correction, which is very gentle and safe, aligns that head and neck correlation so the lymph can drain through the body and boost your child's immune system so they can be healthy and happy. So that's my tip on how you can avoid antibiotics for your child.